Meaning of disorientation.
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 Disorientation. Disorientation refers to a state of confusion or loss of direction and perception. It may cause a person to feel dizzy, disoriented, and uncertain about their surroundings, time, or identity. This condition often results from physical or mental conditions that impair cognitive functions, including intoxication, trauma, illness, or medication side effects. Disorientation can be unsettling and may lead to anxiety, panic, or disorganized behavior. It is important to seek medical attention if disorientation persists or if there are other concerning symptoms, such as fainting, seizures, or memory loss.